welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and this is the Real Cindy's World. So I'm gonna take a moment to say thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you. The people who've been there from day one, mwah, we love you. To all the people coming for the first time, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you really come back, become a family member. It is free. All you need to do is to subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell, because that's the way you're gonna know whenever I come up with a new video. Okay, today what am I doing? Yes, I am gonna be frying some chicken today, so I thought I'll invite you guys once again into my kitchen and get your chicken out and we'll fry some chicken together. How about it? Okay, so let's head into the kitchen. Okay, so I have my chicken already seasoned up and all that here. I don't know, I'm trying. I keep seeing that people are putting mustard and stuff to fry the chicken, so I tried it. I don't think I did it the right way. I put mustard, but however I put my green seasoning and I put my other stuff inside here. So that's how I season my chicken. Okay, here we go. So I'm using canola oil. Pot is all heated. You know the wok is thin, so it's really easy, quick to get all heated up. So this is the amount of oil that I used in there. Put some flour here. This I'm gonna bread my chicken. Still have some taste. I'm putting some adobo. In the flour. I figure if you're gonna eat the skin, I usually don't eat the skin anyway. I would peel off the skin anyway. Even on the fried chicken, I would take it off. I don't eat fried chicken skin. I don't care how nice and crunchy it is. Usually it is, I guess. I do not eat fried chicken skin. I do not eat chicken skin in a whole. Chicken, here is the oil. It's all heated up. So what I'm gonna do right now, it's my garbage right behind me there. Anyway, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna take out each one of this chicken. Let me turn this a little so that you can see both. I'm gonna take off this, dip it in this flour. Drop it in the oil. Drop it in the oil. Let me. And so what I did, I lower my stove a little bit to about medium heat, because I don't want it to burn and the inside is not cooked. But however, when I season my chicken as well, I did make all these cuts inside of it so that it would Kool-Aid. We're gonna make some grape Kool-Aid juice. Okay, I think that's enough. What you think? Should we mix the Kool-Aid with the lemonade? I'm putting some lemonade in the Kool-Aid. So we're gonna put 2 scoops of the lemonade. Oh, I keep saying lemonade. Why am I saying lemonade? This is iced tea mix. Alright, so I put 2 scoops of the iced tea mix in the Kool-Aid, in the grape Kool-Aid. Okay guys, so I put ginger in my Kool-Aid. Don't do it, okay? Don't practice that. Don't do no ginger in no Kool-Aid. Don't mess with it. Don't do what I do. We don't want our chicken to burn. Oh, we don't want our chicken to burn. So okay, let's turn this one around. Alright, so that's the first turn I'm giving the chicken. This is my big cup of Kool-Aid, grape Kool-Aid with iced tea, with ginger, And as I told you guys earlier on, don't mess with Kool-Aid. Don't do what I did. Kool-Aid is good on its own. Or maybe you could even mix your iced tea with your Kool-Aid, but don't mix it with ginger. Or maybe I'm not doing it right. So maybe you guys can put a nice recipe for me in the comment section. Okay? Alright, so guys, I'm hungry. Oh. So let's see how the chicken doing over here, okay? It's kind of cooked. It looks good, right?
That is good. I want that piece. That's so good.
I know. It's fine now. The people already call that one.
Fries? Not fries. Wait, fries or no? Come on first.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Apple from yesterday. I think it's from trying to pull something down or something. So this one over here. Now we're gonna do the rest, all right? Okay guys, so we are back. Everything is finished. Oh, where's the chicken? The main, you know, the main guest. I forget the main guest. Who would have thought? So here we are. All the chicken are done. Here we are. All the chicken. Let me give you a close-up look. Okay, so this is the chicken. I have some lau mein here for Nathaniel. I have some carrots here, some cucumbers there. This is some different sauces I'm gonna be using, okay? Okay, guys. There's Apple, Nathaniel. Oh, here we have the fried chicken. But you know what? I didn't even try the fried chicken this time. I have this for my, I have some cucumbers here. I love my cucumbers. So this is for my cucumbers. And on my cucumbers, I'm putting the tagine. The price tag is still on it. I'm gonna put some of this on my cucumbers. I love that on my cucumbers. So that. So now, let's dig in. Nathaniel, I bought this here just in case you want some. Amen.
Bless us, God. This food will be good. Bless it.
Amen. So this is a Caribbean ketchup. So Apple love it.
Yes, I love it.
I don't want to try it again.
Mmm.
That last experience I had with it.
Nathaniel doesn't like it. Tell him why you don't like it.
Tastes too sweet.
He says it tastes too sweet. So I have some sweet chili sauce here. I want to try it out with my chicken. I haven't had the chicken. I'm hoping that the chicken tastes good. I have no clue. Because remember I told you guys that I put the mustard thing and stuff for the first time on the chicken. So let's see.
Oh, damn.
Okay. Okay. What do you think about the chicken? What do you think, Apple?
It is yummy.
Yeah.
Subscribe, guys. Hit the caution bell.
What?
Leafy, the caution bell.
Notification.
Notification.
The bell. And don't forget, subscribe to Roots in the World.
Nathaniel, let's do a thumbnail.
I can't. Let's get to the...
Put it upside down.
Yeah, it is.
No, I mean, when it... Guys, this is really good. I'm eating it with this sauce. It's really good.
Sweet chili pepper sauce.
Oh.
You guys didn't want lau mein?
Hmm?
You guys didn't want lau mein?
I'm trying to watch my weight. And Apple eats so much today already. She barely gonna bust. Because I made a lasagna yesterday. And Apple loves cheese. Everything cheese. So she's been eating lasagna almost all day.
Yep, guys, that's true.
Okay. This is good. When you go to the store, look for this. The Mexican usually use that on their mangoes or the different fruits. Some of them sell them this as well. It tastes, for me, I like it a lot. It's like lemon. It's like lime and pepper. Lime and pepper.
My favorite mukbang video that we did was tacos one.
That was the last one?
No, it was. I don't remember which one it was. How recent it was, but I remember we did a taco one. All the time.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Action, dude. And have more ketchup and more chicken. Okay.
I don't know how she's so hungry.
Are you enjoying the apple?
Yep.
We was in Mount Vernon and we went to Asian place. Everybody always talk good about.
I was kind of disappointed. I mean, I was disappointed because I already had it, but like.
I was super disappointed, guys. We went to Panda Express. I really thought that was like, yeah, everybody I know talk good about it. But I dislike it so much.
Did you like the orange? You didn't like the orange chicken, right?
I didn't like the orange chicken at all. Not even a little bit.
That's what everybody talks about, though. You took one. Oh, I was gonna take one.
Look what's happy.
Okay. I like the lau mein, so I'm gonna have some more lau mein because nobody's eating it. This is mine now. Oh damn! I didn't mean to do that. You don't like the lau mein? Oh, I forgot. I already asked that because you said you don't want to eat it. The apple, you don't like lau mein either? You don't like the lau mein?
No. I remember to try it yesterday. Tom? Sorry guys, I did fall differences, but
Oh no,
we're gonna cut that part off, right?
Look, Mom, we gotta be like the big food channels. We gotta smack our lips a lot. And you gotta do that and show them what's in your mouth too. What smell is it? I don't know. Just remind me of some type of medicine drink all day, like a sweet one.
Nothing I say it tastes like medicine.
I don't know. Is that
It
a
tastes
bad?
like medicine.
Is that a bad thing? I don't even know.
None for Apple.
Yeah, Apple, don't drink that. None for you. Cause remember you said you didn't like it.
She said she doesn't like it, so we're not giving her any.
I love it.
Did she even try it yet? And she already said she didn't like it.
Okay. Ooh, I enjoy my meal, guys. I enjoy.
You didn't eat it like a real black person. You're supposed to eat all the skin.
No, I don't eat all those skin and all those things. We already had this discussion that I'm not eating those skin things and doing all that. Look, Apple, you could eat these. Okay,
I don't know. I like the skin. Is that
I
weird?
know you do.
I would even take the skin and just dip it in the ketchup for some reason.
Yeah. No, most regular people.
You know how they have pork rinds, the little pork skin in the back, in the back chips?
You ever tried that?
No, ew. Like I remember this was a cat chef, and they would have that. They would it was some kid, I don't know, some kid I remember. I can't remember now. And they used to buy bag of pork rinds and every day from the deli.
Pork rinds.
Like the little pork rind chip snacks.
Some people love that.
No, they had the fried chicken rinds or whatever.
I think that would
That one would go crazy, I think.
Some people just love that. Everybody have their different tastes, right, guys?
Right, guys.
Apple, are you enjoying your meal?
Mhm.
Let me get you some ketchup. You did ask for some more. Ketchup. Which one is it? Is it ketchup or ketchup? So this is the end of our video. I hope you did enjoy it. I hope you made your own fried chicken and you fried it and you was eating together with us. So don't forget, if you have watched our video all this way and you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? What?
Subscribe now.
Anyway, we love you. Don't forget, subscribe. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, drop us a comment, and to subscribe, it is free for a limited time only. So subscribe right now before they start. No, serious, no. It is free to subscribe, oh guy. It is free. So please subscribe. Help us out. And you know, if you watch my numbers, you would see, as I said in my last video, I need it. So subscribe and ask someone else to subscribe to my channel. How about that? We love you. From my family to yours, shalom.